The Lego Backhoe by Luke Mendenhall, Stephen Wiggins, and Jonathan Wiggins.
This is Little Gmo. He is very strong. Little Gmo has a problem. He can't lift this crate. But what Little Gmo can't do, hydraulics can.
So, what can hydraulics do, you ask? Let's pretend that this is an 80,000 pound stage that needs to rotate both horizontally and vertically. And it also has to carry people on it. The only way you can do that is with hydraulics. What is hydraulics, you ask? Hydraulics is a branch of engineering that deals with the conveyance of a non-compressible fluid through pipes and channels as a source of mechanical force or control. Pascal, a French Christian, not that Pascal. Okay, that Pascal. A French Christian philosopher came up with Pascal's principle, which is that pressure is evenly distributed throughout an enclosed fluid. You already know that pressure is the force over the area. Since pressure is equally distributed, then the first pressure must equal the second pressure. By substituting force over area for pressure, this new formula explains the behavior of the two pistons.
Greetings, students. Today, explain the force we will. For example, two pistons we have. Using complicated mathematics, determine the area of the piston heads we shall. Using the formula pi times radius squared gives us the area. Note, different they are. Now, force multiplication we can apply. Since the areas are different, inversely proportional, the ratios are. Increasing the area of the first piston decreases the force exerted by the second piston. However, moves farther it does. Also,
Thank you, Master Yoda. That's enough for now.
May the force multiplication be with you.
What lies before you, Little Gmo, is the answer to all your problems.
So what does it do?
Remember the crate you couldn't lift? This will lift it for you.
Sure, but how?
When two small pistons are connected, pushing down on one will move the other the same distance the first piston was pushed or pulled. When a larger piston is connected to a small piston, the smaller piston moves further. However, it requires much more force. This is an example of force multiplication.
Okay, how does this solve my problem?
Ha! You shall see.
Everything is awesome! Hey, what's up with that?
Phew.
Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we're living our dream. Everything is better when we stick together. Side by side, you and I gonna win forever. Let's party forever. We're the same, I'm like you, you're like me. We're all working in harmony. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we're living our dream.
3, 2, 1, go. Have you heard the news? Everyone's talking. Life is good cause everything's awesome. Lost my job, that's a new opportunity. More free time for my awesome community. I feel more awesome than an awesome possum. Dip my body in chocolate frosting. 3 years later I shot the frosting. Smelling like a blossom, everything is awesome. Stepped in mud, got new brown shoes. Awesome to win and it's awesome to lose. Awesome to lose. Awesome to lose.